Hello, everyone, and welcome to English with Emma. I'm Emma.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today.
On this channel, you'll learn English through fun, natural, and easy-to-follow conversations that help improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, and confidence.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our goal is to make learning English simple, enjoyable, and practical for everyday life.
Today's topic is Tell Me About Yourself. We'll show you how to introduce yourself confidently in real-life conversations, interviews, classrooms, and when meeting new people.
So, get ready to listen, learn, and speak English with us. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every conversation is a step toward becoming more confident.
Before we begin, please like this video, subscribe to English with Emma, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
And don't forget to share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below telling us where you're from and why you're learning English.
Thank you so much for watching.
Let's get started and enjoy today's conversation.
Hi, Tom. It's great to have you here today. I'm really excited about today's conversation because we're talking about a topic that everyone should know how to answer. Let's start with a simple question. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, Emma. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm happy to be here. Well, my name is Tom. I'm 28 years old, and I'm from London, England. I work as a graphic designer, and I really enjoy creating beautiful designs for websites, businesses, and social media. I've always loved art and creativity, so this career is a perfect match for me.
That's a wonderful introduction, Tom. I like how you shared your name, age, hometown, and profession in a clear and natural way. That's exactly how many people introduce themselves when they meet someone for the first time. So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy many different activities. In my free time, I like reading books because they help me learn new ideas and improve my imagination. I also enjoy playing football with my friends on weekends. Listening to music helps me relax after a busy day, and I love traveling because it gives me the chance to experience new cultures, try different foods, and meet interesting people. Most importantly, I enjoy spending quality time with my family and friends because they always support and encourage me.
That sounds fantastic. You have a great balance between work, hobbies, and spending time with the people you care about. I think having hobbies is very important because they help us relax, stay healthy, and enjoy life. Reading books also helps improve English vocabulary, and traveling is a wonderful way to learn about different cultures and ways of life.
I completely agree. I believe that learning doesn't only happen in school. We learn something new every day through our experiences, conversations, and even our hobbies. Every book I read and every place I visit teaches me something valuable.
That's a great way to think about life. Here's another question. If someone met you for the first time, how would your friends describe you?
I think my friends would say that I'm friendly, patient, hardworking, and easy to talk to. I enjoy helping others whenever I can, and I always try to stay positive, even when things become difficult. I believe that kindness and respect are very important qualities.
That's lovely, Tom. Thank you for sharing a little about yourself with us. Your introduction is clear, confident, and easy to understand, and I'm sure it will help many English learners feel more comfortable introducing themselves in everyday conversations.
Thanks, Emma. Now I'd like to share a little more about my personality. I would describe myself as friendly, honest, patient, and hardworking. I enjoy meeting new people because every conversation is an opportunity to learn something new. I also love learning about different cultures, traditions, and ways of life. I believe that being open-minded helps us understand others better and makes us better communicators.
Those are wonderful qualities, Tom. Being friendly and honest makes it much easier to build strong relationships, both personally and professionally. Patience is also an important quality because it helps us stay calm when facing challenges. Do you enjoy learning new skills?
Absolutely. I truly believe that learning never stops. Every day gives us a chance to improve ourselves. Recently, I've been working on my public speaking and communication skills because I want to express my ideas more clearly and confidently. I've also started learning basic photography, which has become a fun hobby. Learning new skills keeps me motivated and gives me confidence.
That's an excellent attitude. Learning something new every day helps us grow both personally and professionally. It's inspiring to see someone who enjoys improving themselves instead of staying in their comfort zone. What motivates you to keep learning?
My biggest motivation is curiosity. I'm always interested in discovering new ideas and improving my abilities. I know that every skill I learn can help me in the future, whether it's at work or in everyday life. Even small improvements can make a big difference over time.
I completely agree. Progress doesn't happen overnight. Small steps taken consistently can lead to amazing results. Do you think making mistakes is part of the learning process?
Definitely. I used to be afraid of making mistakes, but now I see them as valuable lessons. Every mistake teaches me what I can do better next time. Instead of feeling discouraged, I try to learn from my experiences and keep moving forward with a positive attitude.
That's a great mindset. Many English learners worry about making mistakes when they speak, but the truth is that mistakes help us improve. The more we practice, the more confident we become.
Exactly. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection. If we wait until we are perfect, we may never start. That's why I encourage everyone to speak English whenever they have the opportunity, even if they make a few mistakes along the way.
I couldn't agree more, Tom. Your positive attitude and willingness to keep learning are truly inspiring. I'm sure our viewers will feel encouraged to continue improving their English and developing new skills every single day.
Thanks, Emma. Now let's talk about my education and career. I studied graphic design at university because I've always been passionate about art, creativity, and technology. During my studies, I learned many important skills, including visual communication, digital illustration, typography, branding, web design, and creative problem solving. My professors encouraged us to think creatively and develop ideas that could communicate messages clearly through design.
That sounds like a fascinating subject. Graphic design combines creativity with practical skills, and it's used in almost every industry today. What was your favorite part of studying at university?
My favorite part was working on creative projects with my classmates. We often shared ideas, gave each other feedback, and learned from different perspectives. I also enjoyed using professional design software to create posters, logos, websites, and social media graphics. Every project helped me become more confident and improved my design skills.
That's wonderful. Working with others is an excellent way to improve because teamwork helps us see things from different points of view. Why did you decide to choose graphic design as your career?
I've loved drawing and creating things since I was a child. As I grew older, I realized that graphic design would allow me to turn my passion into a profession. I enjoy solving problems through creativity and designing visuals that are both attractive and meaningful. For me, every design tells a story and communicates an idea in a simple and effective way.
That's very inspiring. When people truly enjoy what they do, it often shows in the quality of their work. What do you enjoy most about your job now?
What I enjoy most is working on different projects because every client has unique ideas and goals. One day I might design a company logo, and the next day I could be creating a website or social media campaign. I love seeing my ideas come to life and knowing that my designs help businesses connect with their customers. Every new project is an exciting opportunity to learn something different.
That sounds like a rewarding career. Do you think your learning journey has ended now that you're working professionally?
Not at all. In fact, I think I'm learning more than ever. Design trends and technology are always changing, so I regularly watch tutorials, read design articles, and practice new techniques. Continuous learning helps me stay creative, improve my skills, and provide better work for my clients.
I completely agree. No matter what career we choose, learning should never stop. Staying curious and continuing to improve helps us grow both personally and professionally.
Exactly. I believe that success comes from passion, dedication, and a willingness to keep learning. If you enjoy your work and continue developing your skills, you'll always find new opportunities and achieve your goals.
Tom, we've talked about your personality, education, and career. Now, I'd love to hear about your future. What are your future goals and what do you hope to achieve over the next few years?
That's a great question, Emma. My biggest goal is to become an even better graphic designer by continuing to improve my creativity, technical skills, and professional experience. I want to work on exciting projects that make a positive impact and help businesses share their stories through great design. Eventually, I dream of starting my own creative business where I can build a talented team, work with clients from around the world, and create meaningful designs that inspire people.
That sounds like an exciting and ambitious dream. I really admire people who set clear goals and work consistently toward achieving them. Besides your career, are there any personal goals that are important to you?
Yes, definitely. I also want to travel around the world because I believe traveling is one of the best ways to learn about different cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. Meeting people from different countries helps us become more open-minded and gives us a better understanding of the world. I hope to experience new places, try local food, and learn a few words from different languages wherever I go.
I completely agree. Traveling gives us unforgettable memories and teaches lessons that we can't always learn from books. If you could choose just one country to visit first, where would you go?
I would love to visit Japan first. I've always admired its unique culture, advanced technology, beautiful nature, and rich history. I'd like to explore cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, visit traditional temples, enjoy the cherry blossom season, and experience Japanese food and hospitality. I think it would be an unforgettable journey.
That sounds absolutely amazing. Japan is known for blending modern innovation with centuries-old traditions, which makes it a fascinating destination. I sincerely hope you achieve all your goals, both in your career and in your travels.
Thank you so much, Emma. Your encouragement means a lot to me. I truly believe that with hard work, determination, patience, and a positive attitude, almost anything is possible. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if we keep learning, stay focused, and never give up, we can achieve our dreams step by step.
That's a wonderful message for everyone watching. Setting goals gives us direction, and taking small, consistent steps every day helps turn those dreams into reality. No matter how big your dream is, the most important thing is to keep moving forward and believe in yourself.
Exactly. Every successful journey begins with a single step. As long as we stay motivated, continue learning, and work hard, our future can be full of exciting opportunities and meaningful achievements.
Before we finish today's conversation, let's ask one final question. Imagine you're meeting someone for the very first time. How would you introduce yourself in a friendly, natural, and confident way?
I would say, "Hello, my name is Tom. I'm from London, England, and I'm a graphic designer. I enjoy learning new things, traveling to different countries, reading books, and meeting people from different backgrounds. I'm friendly, hardworking, and always ready to learn new skills and take on new challenges. It's a pleasure to meet you, and I hope we can get to know each other better."
That's a fantastic self-introduction. Clear, confident, and natural. You included your name, where you're from, your profession, your hobbies, and even your personality. That's exactly the kind of introduction people can use in everyday conversations, job interviews, classrooms, business meetings, or when making new friends.
Thank you, Emma. I think introducing yourself is one of the most important communication skills. A good introduction helps people feel comfortable and creates a positive first impression. It also opens the door to meaningful conversations and new opportunities.
I completely agree. Many English learners worry about introducing themselves because they're afraid of making mistakes. But the truth is that confidence grows through practice. The more you introduce yourself in English, the more natural and comfortable it becomes.
That's absolutely true. Nobody speaks perfectly from the beginning. Every conversation is a chance to improve. Even if you make small mistakes, people usually appreciate your effort to communicate. The most important thing is to speak clearly, smile, and enjoy the conversation.
Exactly. A simple smile, confidence, and kind words can make a wonderful first impression. People often remember how you made them feel, not whether every sentence was perfect. Being polite, respectful, and positive can make every introduction more successful.
I couldn't agree more. It's always nice to meet new people and share a little about yourself. Every new conversation is an opportunity to learn, build friendships, exchange ideas, and understand different cultures. That's one of the things I enjoy most about speaking English.
Thank you so much for sharing your story today, Tom. Your experiences and advice have been inspiring, and I'm sure our viewers have learned many useful expressions for introducing themselves with confidence.
Thank you, Emma. I really enjoyed our conversation. I hope everyone watching feels encouraged to practice speaking English every day. Remember, every confident speaker was once a beginner. Keep practicing, stay positive, believe in yourself, and never stop learning. Your next introduction could be the beginning of an amazing opportunity.
Thank you so much for joining us today on English with Emma. We hope you enjoyed this conversation and learned something new about how to introduce yourself confidently in English.
Yes, we hope our discussion helped you learn useful words, expressions, and ideas that you can use in your daily English conversations. Remember, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Emma, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our new English lessons and conversations.
We would also love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below and tell us about yourself. Where are you from? What is your favorite way to learn English? We enjoy reading your answers.
And please share this video with your friends, family, and anyone who wants to improve their English speaking skills.
Thank you for being part of our English learning community. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
This is Emma from English with Emma.
And this is Tom. See you in the next conversation.
Goodbye, everyone, and keep speaking English with confidence.